When it comes to finding that perfect tropical escape where luxury meets relaxation, Hyatt Ziva Rose Hall in Montego Bay, Jamaica stands as a premier adults-only destination that promises an unforgettable Caribbean experience. This all-inclusive resort has carved out a reputation for delivering sophisticated comfort combined with authentic Jamaican hospitality, making it an ideal choice for couples seeking romance, friends planning a getaway, or anyone looking to unwind in paradise without the distraction of children running around the pool area. Let's dive deep into what makes this property special, starting with where you'll actually be resting your head after those long days of doing absolutely nothing on the beach. The accommodations at Hyatt Ziva Rose Hall are designed with modern luxury in mind, offering guests a variety of room categories that cater to different preferences and budgets. The entry-level rooms here aren't your typical cramped hotel boxes either. These spaces feature contemporary Caribbean-inspired decor that manages to feel both elegant and inviting without going overboard on the tropical clichés. Each room comes equipped with a furnished balcony or terrace, which honestly is non-negotiable when you're staying at a beachfront property, because there's something magical about having your morning coffee while watching the sunrise over the Caribbean Sea. The beds are outfitted with premium linens that actually live up to that description, unlike some places that claim luxury but give you scratchy sheets that feel like sandpaper. Climate control is fully customizable, which is essential because everyone has different temperature preferences, and nothing ruins a vacation faster than fighting over the thermostat. The bathrooms deserve special mention, because they feature rainfall showerheads and high-end toiletries that make you feel pampered from the moment you step in. Some room categories include whirlpool tubs, perfect for a romantic evening or just soaking away any travel fatigue. Modern technology hasn't been forgotten either, with flat-screen televisions, complimentary wireless internet throughout the rooms, and convenient USB charging ports so you're not hunting for adapters. The minibar is restocked daily with premium beverages and snacks, all included in your rate, which means no unpleasant surprises at checkout. For those wanting to elevate their experience, the suite categories offer significantly more space, often featuring separate living areas that give you room to actually spread out and relax. Some suites come with enhanced amenities like upgraded bathroom fixtures, larger balconies with better views, and even swim-up access depending on the category you choose. The ocean view rooms provide stunning vistas of the turquoise waters, while some accommodations offer garden or pool views for those who prefer a different perspective. The attention to detail in room design shows that thought went into creating spaces where guests would genuinely want to spend time, not just crash after a day of activities. Turn-down service in the evenings adds that extra touch of hospitality, and the housekeeping staff maintains impeccable standards throughout your stay. The rooms also feature coffee makers for those who need their caffeine fix before heading to breakfast, along with in-room safes large enough to actually fit a laptop and other valuables. What really sets these accommodations apart is how they balance luxury with comfort, creating an atmosphere that feels special without being stuffy or pretentious. Now let's talk about one of the most important aspects of any all-inclusive resort, the food and drink situation. Hyatt Ziva Rose Hall takes dining seriously, offering multiple restaurants that cover a wide range of culinary preferences so you won't get bored eating the same thing every night. The main buffet restaurant serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner with an impressive variety that changes daily, featuring both international favorites and authentic Jamaican specialties. This is where you'll find everything from made-to-order omelets in the morning to fresh seafood and grilled meats in the evening. The quality here exceeds what you might expect from a buffet setting, with chefs preparing dishes with care rather than just slopping food onto warming trays. Beyond the buffet, the resort features several specialty restaurants that require reservations but don't cost anything extra, which is how all-inclusive should work. The Italian restaurant delivers classic dishes with proper execution, from handmade pastas to wood-fired pizzas that actually have a decent crust. If you're in the mood for Asian cuisine, there's a restaurant dedicated to Pan-Asian flavors, offering everything from sushi to stir-fries with bold, authentic seasonings. The French restaurant provides a more upscale dining experience with refined presentations and sophisticated flavor combinations that would impress even pickier eaters. For those craving a perfectly cooked steak, the steakhouse serves premium cuts prepared to your exact specifications, accompanied by classic sides and rich sauces. What makes the dining experience even better is that you're not limited to one visit per restaurant during your stay, so if you find a favorite, you can return as many times as you want, schedule permitting. The resort also offers a casual grill near the pool area, perfect for grabbing lunch without having to change out of your swimsuit or venture too far from your lounger. When it comes to bars, Hyatt Ziva Rose Hall doesn't disappoint, with multiple locations scattered throughout the property serving premium spirits, tropical cocktails, beer, wine, and non-alcoholic options. The beach bar keeps the drinks flowing while you're working on your tan, and the swim-up bar means you don't even have to leave the pool to refresh your beverage. Bartenders are skilled at crafting both classic cocktails and creative tropical concoctions, and they're generous with the pours, which is always appreciated. The lobby bar provides a more relaxed atmosphere for evening drinks, while the theater bar is perfect for a pre-show cocktail if you're planning to catch the nightly entertainment. Coffee and tea are available throughout the day at various locations, and there's even a cafe serving specialty coffee drinks and light snacks during the afternoon. The 24-hour room service menu ensures you can satisfy late-night cravings or enjoy breakfast on your balcony without having to get dressed and head to the restaurant. One thing that stands out about the dining program here is the consistency and quality across all venues, suggesting proper management and well-trained kitchen staff who take pride in their work. Special dietary requirements are accommodated with advance notice, and the staff genuinely tries to ensure everyone can enjoy their meals regardless of restrictions or preferences. The pool and beach situation at Hyatt Ziva Rose Hall deserves significant attention because this is where most guests will spend the majority of their time. The resort features multiple swimming pools, each with its own character and purpose, so you can choose the vibe that matches your mood on any given day. The main pool is the social hub of the property, large enough to accommodate plenty of guests without feeling overcrowded, with a swim-up bar that becomes the center of activity as the day progresses. This is where you'll meet other travelers, join in on pool games organized by the entertainment team, or simply float around with a cocktail in hand while soaking up the Caribbean sun. For those seeking a quieter experience, there are additional pools located in more secluded areas of the resort, offering a tranquil escape where you can actually hear yourself think and enjoy some peaceful relaxation. The infinity pool provides stunning visual appeal with its seamless edge that appears to merge with the ocean beyond, creating perfect photo opportunities and a sense of endless horizon. Some pool areas feature shallow sections perfect for lounging in the water without fully committing to swimming, while deeper areas accommodate those who actually want to do laps or dive in. The deck space surrounding the pools is generous, with plenty of loungers that feature comfortable cushions rather than those thin pads that offer no support. Umbrellas and palapas provide shade options for those who have had enough sun, and attentive staff circulate regularly to offer fresh towels, spritz you with cooling water, or take drink orders. The beach itself is the real star of the show, with soft white sand and clear turquoise waters that look exactly like the photos in the brochures, which doesn't always happen. The resort maintains its beach section beautifully, raking the sand daily and ensuring the area remains clean and inviting. Beach loungers are plentiful and come with cushions, and there are also beach beds and cabanas available for those wanting a more luxurious setup, though these premium spots might require early reservation or an additional fee depending on the season. The water is generally calm and perfect for swimming, with the gentle waves providing just enough movement to be interesting without being intimidating for less confident swimmers. Water sports equipment is available for guests who want to add some activity to their beach time, including kayaks, paddleboards, and snorkeling gear. The snorkeling right off the beach might not rival a dedicated reef site, but you can spot colorful fish and explore the underwater landscape without having to book a separate excursion. Beach volleyball nets are set up for those feeling energetic, and the animation team often organizes games and activities throughout the day. What really enhances the beach experience is the service, with staff members regularly walking the sand to offer drinks, fresh fruit, or cold towels, so you never have to abandon your perfect spot to trek back to the bar. The sunset views from the beach are absolutely spectacular, with the sky transforming into brilliant oranges and pinks as the sun dips below the horizon, creating those romantic moments that make Caribbean vacations so memorable. Beyond lounging by the pool or beach, Hyatt Ziva Rose Hall offers a solid range of activities to keep guests entertained throughout their stay. The fitness center is well equipped with modern cardio machines, free weights, and strength training equipment, allowing you to maintain your workout routine even while on vacation, though let's be honest, most people have good intentions but end up skipping it in favor of another poolside cocktail. For those who do make it to the gym, the equipment is well maintained and the space is air-conditioned, which is crucial in the Caribbean heat. Group fitness classes are scheduled throughout the week, including options like aqua aerobics in the pool, beach yoga sessions at sunrise, and various other classes led by energetic instructors who somehow have way too much enthusiasm for that early in the morning. Tennis courts are available for guests who enjoy the sport, with equipment provided and the option to arrange lessons or find other players for a match. The resort's entertainment team keeps things lively with organized activities throughout the day, from pool games and dance lessons to trivia contests and beach Olympics. These activities are entirely optional, so you can participate as much or as little as you want without feeling pressured. Evening entertainment typically includes live music, themed shows, or performances that showcase local culture and talent, providing a nice way to cap off the day without having to leave the resort. The theater hosts regular productions that range from decent to actually quite impressive, depending on the performers and the type of show. For those interested in exploring Jamaican culture without venturing far, the resort occasionally offers activities like rum tastings, jerk cooking demonstrations, or local craft sessions that provide insight into the island's traditions. Water-based activities beyond the beach include options for more adventurous guests, with excursions available for booking through the resort's tour desk. While these off-site activities typically cost extra, they provide opportunities to experience things like river rafting, catamaran cruises, or visits to famous attractions like Dunn's River Falls. The resort also features areas designed simply for relaxation, with hammocks strung between palm trees, quiet gardens for peaceful walks, and various nooks where you can settle in with a book and escape for a while. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.